So next we are going to evaluate this function up to order x squared. So this has a lot of terms, so let's just proceed. So first the numerator. The numerator is 1 plus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 6 plus x4 by 24, so that should be enough. And then the denominator is times, if we expand the e to the power x, the first term, the leading term, will cancel this 1. So, and the minus can be absorbed in the square. So we can write this as x plus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 6 plus x4 by 24 to the power minus 2. And then what we can do is that we can factor out a 1 over x squared from the second term, from the second factor. Then we have 1 plus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 6 plus x4 by 24. And then we have 1 over x squared. And inside the bracket, we have 1 plus x by 2 plus x squared by 6 plus x cubed by 24 to the power minus 2. And then we can multiply this with this, and then we have 1 over x squared plus 1 over x, and then we get a factor of half, and then we get plus x by 6, and then we get an x squared. So we are not going to be needing that term. Actually, let me just keep it. Plus x squared by 24. And then we are going to be expanding this guy. So this is going to be 1 minus 2x by 2 minus 2x squared by 6 minus 2x cubed by 24. And then we're going to take the higher order term, and the higher order term is going to give me plus 3, and then I'm going to get x squared by 4, and that's all that I need. So this is the second order term in this binomial expansion. So now I can multiply everything. If I multiply everything, the first, I'm just going to get just this guy. Just going to get a copy of this. And then I'm going to get, so this is x. If I multiply this whole thing by x, I get, let me just put it in a different line. So minus x multiplying this whole thing is going to give me minus 1 over x minus 1. Then I'm going to get minus x by 2 minus x squared by 6, and then higher term. And then I'm going to multiply by this thing, and then the first term is going to give me minus 1/3, and then the second term is going to give me minus x by 3, and then I'm going to get x squared order term, which I'm not going to bother about. And then I'm going to multiply by this guy, and this guy, the first term is just going to give, so this is 12. So the first term is going to give me minus x by 12, and the second term is going to give me, so this, second term is going to give me an order of x squared term, which I'm not gonna, again, bother. And this guy then multiplying this first thing is going to give me plus 3/4. and it will multiply this second term to give me plus 3/4 of x, and then I'm going to get x squared term. So this is all I need. So I don't need the x squared term, so I'm going to erase that. I'm also going to erase that. So now what we see is, we see that the 1 of x and 1 of x cancels out. And then what I have here is, if I have the constant, add the constant terms, I get half here. And here I have minus 1. And here I have minus 1/3 and plus 3/4. So if I add them up, I get 12 in the denominator. So the first term is going to be 6 minus 12 minus 4 plus 9. So I will have 12 in the denominator. And over here, 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 16. So I'm going to have minus 1/12 from the constant term. So here we get 1 over x squared minus 1/12. And then what about the linear term? So the coefficient of the linear term, so this is the linear term, the first guy is 1/6, and that's this thing. Then this guy is minus half, and this thing is minus 1/3, and this thing is minus 1/12, and this is plus 3/4. Plus 3/4. Of course, the denominator will be 12, so here we get 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 1 plus 9. So we get 9 plus 2 is 11, and 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So we can see all the linear order terms, they all drop out. And therefore, this is up to order x squared. This is our result.